Congratulations to Dalapati Vijay and the Tamaraga Vetri Karagam for this resounding mandate that the people of Tamil Nadu have given him. It is not just a vote for Vijay, it's also a vote against the misrule of the DMK. So I believe that when Mr. Vijay went to request for his opportunity to form the government, he did not represent himself and TVK as the single largest party with 107 seats. He went there as a two-party coalition. He took 5 MLA seats from the Congress to represent to the governor. I believe that is where there is an issue, because if you are a coalition, then you have to show a majority. Otherwise, you cannot go to the governor. So either you stand it alone in the floor test, or you find your coalition partners, you find your majority, and then you go to the governor. So I think the governor is sticking to the safest points of the law and safest elements of the constitution. Nobody wants another election to happen in Tamil Nadu, including the DMK, ADMK, and anybody who lost, including the Congress. So I believe instead of, being bedfellows with the DMK's pre-poll allies, I believe Mr. Vijay will be served best if he faces the floor test as TVK, and then I believe I'm confident that he will win. Because even if people are against him, they will not be able to vote against him, because then there will be another election which nobody wants. So I believe Mr. Vijay should think of his party before making alliances.